Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to my living room area. An area is the word that I want us to think about today. We're going to start nice and straightforwardly because the key thing about area to remember is it just basically means the amount of space or the area that a shape covers. So the area of my living room would be the shape of the floor and the space, the two-dimensional space that is covered by the sort of footprint of the floor of my living room. The area of the room that you're in at the moment is basically the floor, the carpet, the laminate, the wood, depending on how posh you are, of the floor that is the space inside your room. It's not the three-dimensional space, it's the two-dimensional space, probably a rectangle. And it's mostly going to be rectangles that we'll be thinking about over the next couple of days. But today, we're going to think about the area of some slightly stranger looking shapes. For example, there are some shapes here. Now these shapes here are not all rectangles, as you can see. And we measure area in square centimetres or square metres. We could also measure area in square miles. But we'd be measuring a very large area if we were to do that. The area of a country or the area perhaps of a large field or something like that. But normally we'll be measuring in square centimetres or square metres. They're usually written as cm and a little 2 or m and a little 2 next to it that signifies that it's squared, it's the length and then the width or the individual squares inside. So with these square shapes, these squared shapes, all we need you to do is have a look at the shapes themselves and count the individual squares that are inside the shape. For example, see the top one here, have a look and literally just count the squares because that's the actual squares that are covered by this shape. Okay, when you've done this and had a go at all of these, they'll be below this video, then what we'd like you to do after that is have a go at the next sheet, the home learning sheet, where again you'll really just be concentrating on counting the squares, but this time there might be a little bit of a sentence or a few words, a bit of a mystery to solve as you do so. So have a good time, have good fun, develop your understanding of area and what area means, and then have a go at those activities, and so that you will be ready for some more area work tomorrow. If you get stuck, as always, have a look online, have a quick search, things will be explained, and as always, if you finish and do some great work, send it to us at the advice line, advice@mapledeanschool.com, so we can see how you're getting on. Good luck, guys, enjoy your maths, and we'll speak to you again very soon.